Hi, I'm Jerry from Accessible Surveys. In the next couple of minutes, I want to show you how you can create surveys which are accessible for everyone. The problem with traditional survey tools is that they have a set way of asking questions. The way the question is asked may be accessible for some, but not for others. Accessible Surveys changes this one-size-fits-all approach. Our accessibility options allow users to view questions in the format that works best for them. For instance, a user may choose to access questions in an easy read format where the question is supported with a picture, or another user may choose to have the question signed. Someone else may choose to have the questions read aloud at a speed that suits them.
Do you have a disability? Choose your answers from the following options.
I now want to show you how you can easily create an accessible survey. Build your survey using a simple drag and drop form builder. And choose the accessibility options you would like to offer. Tailor your questions so they support the accessibility options you've selected. And lastly, test your questions before finalising your form. Once your survey is live, you can view responses on interactive dashboards or download your dataset for further analysis. If you're interested in running accessible surveys, we would love to hear from you. You can find us on Twitter or on accessiblesurveys.com.